NotebookLM just added a new feature that can turn almost any source into a short form video in just 2 clicks. And right now it's completely free. Before this, if you wanted to turn a blog post, YouTube video, or news article into short form content, you usually had to stitch together a bunch of different tools or build a complicated automation. But now you can create short form vertical videos and even longer explainer videos with zero tech setup. That means you can repurpose the content your business is already producing into shorts, reels, TikToks, and LinkedIn videos. Or when something new happens in your industry, you can drop in the source and turn it into an educational short and be one of the first people explaining it to your audience. Let me show you how it works. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is Google's NotebookLM, which is completely free to try. So just go to notebooklm.google.com or click the link below and just hit try NotebookLM, and you can just sign in with your Google account, or if you don't have one, you can create one in a few seconds. It's completely free. So once you sign up, you'll be here in the NotebookLM dashboard. And first, let me show you the kinds of shorts we're going to be able to make. So from a single source, we're going to be able to make these shorts, which are completely narrated with images and transitions and everything.
Adopting AI won't automatically save your business. In fact, using it wrong makes you easily replaceable. The difference between becoming obsolete and invaluable.
And one of the best parts about NotebookLM is how remarkable the voice sounds. It sounds like a real person with annotations in their voice and everything. And literally all I did was fed it a source and it made this video in 2 clicks. And let me show you exactly how we can do that. So all you need to do is go to create new notebook, and now you just click add sources, and you can give it any type of source you want, a web page, a YouTube video, basically anything that's publicly available online, or you can copy and paste text, or you can even upload a document or connect to your Google Drive. And I'm going to give you a bunch of examples, starting with, let's make this video that I produced on my channel about, quitting your 9-to-5 job. And it's some lessons I've learned as an entrepreneur. And if I wanted to turn this YouTube video into a short form explainer, all I would need to do is hit the websites and links button right there and just hit insert. And now it's going to figure out what this is about in a few seconds. Then just hit video overview and then hit short. And then you can choose what to focus on here. Let's go with success myths. And you can choose some topics here, or you can customize your own topic. And here is where I recommend you add your call to action. So you could say something like, check the link in my bio to get a free entrepreneurship guide. My free entrepreneurship guide. And you can say include this as the CTA at the end of the video. And so here's where you can make the videos a little bit more actionable, because you won't get to actually control how the editing works, but that's also the beauty of the one-click nature of this. So once you do that, and this part's optional, everything here is optional, you can just hit short and just hit generate. And now it's going to generate this video, and it can take about 5 to 10 minutes. So you can go off and get a coffee or whatever you'd like in that time. So our video's done, and this took about 10 minutes. Let's play it.
Most people trying to quit their 9-to-5 for a side hustle fail, not because they're lazy, but because they completely underestimate the timeline. Before you make the leap, you need to...
So this is following the content and the narrative I've set out in my long form video. And of course we could watch the whole thing, but so far it definitely makes sense. It's talking about the first one.
To go full time, how to market and sell.
And you can see how this sounds so natural compared to, say, an AI generated typical voice that really sounds like it's computerized. This sounds like a real person talking with the annotations. But let's see if she did the CTA like I asked.
Check the link in my bio to get my free entrepreneurship guide.
Yeah, this is something I figured out how to add a CTA, because one of the limitations, of course, with this is you can't edit anything and you can't customize it 100%. Now, that's also the power of it, because you're not doing any of the work, but I was trying to figure out how do I add a CTA to this. And so I'm revealing that to you here, and you saw how to do it. And so that is what really takes this from being, say, like a technical experiment or a cool demo to actually having business utility. So make sure you add a CTA in that prompt box in order to get more value out of the content you're making. So that was a video. Now let me show you 2 more examples. We're going to turn one of my blog posts into a video, and we're going to turn a news article into a video. So let's start with my blog post. So here we have one of my blog posts, and I want to make this into a video. So we go back, go to create new notebook, go to add sources, just paste in the link, hit that. It starts looking for it and summarizing it in a few seconds. Then we just hit video overview, short, and escape hustle culture. And this time, let's say visit solopreneurtools.io for more tips. Add this as a CTA, and then we hit generate. And one of the cool things about NotebookLM is actually you can generate things in parallel. So we don't have to wait until this is done. Let's do an article at the exact same time. And this time I'm going to show you a completely different industry just so you can see that it'll work for you regardless of what industry you're in. Let's say we are in the fitness industry and this new study just came out about protein switch that burns fat and blocks new fat cells. And of course, this is a scientific study, right? You can see that it's very technical from a medical perspective. So what if we wanted to summarize this for our audience so they can be excited about this new study? Well, we can use NotebookLM for this exact reason. So just go to create new notebook, add source, just paste in the source, hit go. Let's wait till that summarizes. Go to video overview, short, and let's do key elements. This time, let's say summarize this for my fitness audience in a simple way. And this is where you can, like I said, give it a little bit more direction, and you can use it for CTAs or you can use it to craft the narrative a bit. And so you can see that video generating right there, as well as the one we also queued up. So both are happening at the exact same time. And while that's running, I want to show you real quick how you can even make long form content with this exact same method. So here's a video that I just made. And so I just fed it one of my existing YouTube videos. But again, you could use any source you want. And I'll show you the output right here.
Welcome back to The Explainer. Look, if you're everything we're diving into today assumes your core offering is actually, well, already actively shopping for fruit, your odds of selling out go through.
And so it made a 9-minute explainer video from one of my existing videos. And again, it could have been any source. And this is a very explainer heavy style. And I'll show you how I did that. So all you need to do is go to video overview and choose explainer, and you can choose your style here. And again, you can give it more directions, you can customize it and hit generate. The only difference between the short and the explainer is literally just hitting explainer. And likewise, you can also choose this cinematic option, which is great if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic and incorporate a little bit more storytelling. And here's what that looks like. So here's an example of cinematic style.
We've all seen the archetype, the founder who grinds 60 hours a week for 3 straight years, only to end up with 0 forward progress. The business will take off, but look around the creator economy
and so this one's about 5 minutes long. And again, all I did was add the source and choose cinematic instead of short or explainer. That's how simple it is. So you can turn content into short form and long form video. So that took a few minutes and both of my videos are now done. Let's start with the blog post I made into a video. So let's watch that.
How does intelligent leverage shatter the physical limits of hustle culture? For decades, we assumed that scaling a business meant stacking more human hours.
So this is completely the narrative that I am sort of going through in this video, and it's made a condensed version of it, of course. But let's see if it did the CTA I instructed it, and if it did it in a clever way.
You can find the exact tools to build these workflows at solopreneurtools.io. And those original LinkedIn leads, the system finds and messages.
I like how it did the CTA and then it ended the video on a strong note of completing the curiosity loop. Like we didn't listen to the whole video, but it kind of closed off on the thought that it had established. So I like how it did that, and it included the CTA that I wanted it to. So when I post this, someone will be able to come back to my website and it'll work across all platforms. Now jumping over to the news article, let's see how that video came out.
What if turning off a single protein called Mitch could trigger massive fat loss? Modern weight loss drug.
So exactly, it's explaining this complex topic and it's making it for our audience, and we could post this, and now we could also of course link to the full source so someone can go read this. But you're explaining something to your audience that's brand new, and you can use this across any industry and it'll position you as a thought leader. So you can see that these videos are pretty impressive for literally zero work. Now you can sort of guide the direction of the videos by adding some commentary to that prompt box, but you can't exactly dictate scene by scene what you want. And so you might want to try doing the video 2 times and trying a different prompt in each one if you really want to see what kind of outputs you get. And so because it's free, there's no harm in making more than one video and just seeing which one you like the most. And when you're ready to post your video, just click the 3 dots and go to download, and you simply get the file right there, and then you can just post it to all your social platforms. And if you want to make that part even easier, there's a little tool I use. It's called Repurpose, and I'll link it down below. And what it does is it basically lets you post automatically to all your social platforms when you just post to one. So when I post to Instagram, it posts to all my channels automatically. It literally takes about 2 minutes to set up. You just log into each of your platforms, and then you create a workflow that goes from, say, TikTok to Instagram. And that's it. You hit create workflow, and you would set that up for each and every one. So whichever platform you want to upload to first, just set up those workflows. And it literally takes about 2 minutes to set all of this up. And I actually have a full tutorial on the channel that I'll link down below if you want step-by-step instructions. So that's how you can take almost any source and turn it into a short form video with NotebookLM. It can be your own content like a blog post, YouTube video, newsletter, or guide you created. Or it could be something new happening in your industry like a report, article, product update, or news story that your audience would find useful. Just be sure that when you're using someone else's content as a source, you credit or link the original source in the caption or description. What makes this so different is that there's no setup, and it's completely free right now. There's no automations to build, no extra tools to connect, no videos to script and record, and definitely no editing. You just add the source, choose the format, and NotebookLM outputs the video in a few minutes. So whether you're repurposing your own content or turning something new in your industry into an educational short, this is one of the easiest ways I've seen to create more short form videos from the sources you're already using. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tools that can help you automate your business. Now here's the tutorial for the tool I mentioned that can automatically repost your videos to all your socials. I'll see you in there.